Have you ever wanted to hide a profile on your Netflix account without deleting it completely? Maybe it's for your guilty pleasure shows that you don't want anyone else to see. Or maybe you just want to lock someone's profile, especially if you're sharing your Netflix account with other people. You don't want them spoiling your recommendations and watch history. You've probably already searched for a button to hide a profile icon, and guess what? That button does not exist. But hitting the delete profile button down here seems way too harsh. Netflix doesn't have a feature to completely hide a profile's icon or avatar from the home screen, but here's a workaround that hides a profile from other people on your account. We are setting up a profile lock. This doesn't hide the profile icon, but it does make it private, inaccessible, and completely useless to anyone who doesn't have the secret PIN code. Here's how we do it. Open up your Netflix app, and we are asked to choose a profile. In the profile, click on the avatar icon in the bottom right-hand corner, down here. On the top right-hand corner is this 3-line menu icon. We can either click on this and then click on Manage Profiles, or we can click on the pull-down menu next to your profile name on this little triangle here, and then click on Manage Profiles. From here, choose the profile that you want to lock. That brings up all of these menu options and settings for this profile. Now we will click on Profile Lock. We get this full screen option. Create a profile lock. Make this profile private by adding a 4-digit PIN. We can now click the button at the bottom of the screen labelled Create Profile Lock. Netflix is going to ask you to confirm your identity by entering your account password and click Continue. Now we can create a 4-digit PIN code. This is your secret code to access this Netflix profile. Once you've entered the PIN, hit Save. If I go back into the settings for this profile, we can now see that the profile lock is on. If I go back to the profile selection screen on any device, you'll see this small padlock icon appear right inside the profile avatar you just locked. When someone tries to click on it, Netflix will prompt them to enter the PIN number. Without that code, they can't see the profile's content, recommendations, or its viewing history. So while the icon is still visible, the profile itself is locked down and totally private. To unlock the profile, just follow the same steps and click on Delete Profile Lock, enter the PIN number and confirm that you want to delete the profile lock. You can do this for any profile on your account, which is a great way to stop people going into your profile, or friends and family who are using your account going into your profile and changing your recommendations. I am calling this Dad Delivers success. If this video is helping, thank you for saying hi in the comments below or hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps me get to 100,000 subscribers. I currently have around 9,000, so thanks for your help. And right here is what YouTube knows you want to be watching next.